Welcome to Practice Easy English. Common action verbs in English. Walk. I walk to work every morning. Run. He runs in the park for exercise. Eat. We eat dinner together as a family. Sleep. The baby sleeps peacefully through the night. Read. She reads a book before going to bed. Write. I write notes to remember important things. Talk. They talk on the phone for hours. Listen. Please listen to what I have to say. Dance. They dance at the party all night long. Sing. He sings beautifully in the choir. Play. We play soccer in the park on weekends. Study. She studies hard for her exams. Cook. He loves to cook delicious meals. Clean. They clean the house every Saturday. Drive. She drives to work every day. Swim. We swim in the pool during the summer. Shop. They shop for groceries at the supermarket. Work. He works at a software company. Travel. She travels to different countries for work. Help. Can you help me with this heavy box? Teach. He teaches math at a high school. Learn. We learn new things every day. Watch. She watches a movie at the cinema. Draw. She draws beautiful pictures with pencils. Paint. We paint the walls of our house. Laugh. They laugh at a funny joke. Cry. She cries when she's sad. Smile. He smiles when he sees his friends. Clap. We clap our hands to show appreciation. Jump. They jump over the hurdles in the race. Text. They text each other throughout the day. Type. She types on the keyboard to write an email. Hug. We hug each other when we meet. Run. She runs to catch the bus. Wait. He waits patiently for his turn.